Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the short video showing how the 12.3 inch is custom fit in the Land Rover Discovery 3, and this one is Land Rover Discovery 3 2005 turbo diesel manual 6-speed gearbox. So this is the 12.3 inch. Is large. You can see this one is large, okay, wide, and the height is just, you know, good enough, and it is fit here with a special design base and frame behind, so it will fit, and you know, it will fit on the top of the dash as a block of the car. However, depends on how the installation of the wiring you select, then you have to either run the wiring down from the top dashboard, or in the case we are doing here, we actually run the wiring behind and then run along under the dash, and you know, along the side and down under the dash. So we have the top dashboard cover, so it covers the wiring. That's one option if you, in case you don't want to do anything with the original dashboard. And the 12.3 inch is definitely the very best one to show up all the application, run all the application, and it works really nice with all the function in the system, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and support the Full HD anti-glare and Super Night Vision reverse camera. Okay, so if in case you want something to stay on the top of a dashboard, this one the good option, and it actually is the best option, the biggest screen option that, you know, it can go for. And yeah, that's the way it looks like. Beautiful, easy to touch, and